Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this used vehicle.
The Toyota Yaris Cross 1.5 litre VVT-h Premier Edition E-CVT is currently available in this yellow finish. This petrol hybrid is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen and has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's had a well-maintained life cycle. You get these 18-inch alloy wheels, which are the 10-spoke in dark chrome, machine-faced. They look absolutely remarkable. You have automatic headlights ensuring they're on at the correct times, and electric tailgate. By simply holding the button on the boot, you can see you do gain access to this boot hands-free just by holding the button on the key. Fairly spacious boot size is active. As you can see, you can actually access additional storage space and height underneath there. And you also have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a convenient family car as well. To the front of the car, we have the multifunction steering wheel giving access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. The black roof lining truly does complement that exterior finish in my opinion, and as you can see, this multifunction steering wheel has a wide array of different options on there. And this dashboard display allows you to show key information whilst on the move, incorporating your driving data and even your eco zone on there as well. You can also access your assist functions directly as well, which does include your cruise control, which is the radar active. As you can see, it does offer a much more safe, consistent and convenient driving experience. It's perfect for motorway travel as it does keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst on the roads. Now, if we do make our way over to the infotainment screen, a wide array of different settings are hosted. Into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you can go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this functionality. Pop the car into our parking mode. Here you can see we can access that rear view camera alongside the 360 parking cameras as well. It's a great addition to the vehicle as it offers a much more safer experience, especially whilst parking in tight places at places like shopping centres where it's traditionally a little bit too tight, offering for a much more comfortable and confident experience. The car also comes with heated seats with two different heat intensities to choose from, and these are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there.
For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.